I expect wealth to flow into my life effortlessly. I expect prosperity in all areas of my life. I expect financial miracles daily. I expect abundance because I am aligned with it. I expect success to follow every step I take. I expect to be well paid, well treated, and well supported. I expect opportunities that multiply my wealth. I expect money to come to me from seen and unseen sources. I expect my income to grow constantly. I expect luxury, comfort, and ease. I expect wealth because I think and act abundantly. I expect money to love and follow me. I expect prosperity with every breath I take. I expect to receive more than I ask for. I expect overflow, not just enough. I expect financial blessings to show up now. I expect life to surprise me with riches. I expect my bank account to reflect my worth. I expect to be financially free and empowered. I expect wealth to expand for generations. I expect big, beautiful paydays. I expect wealth to find me in every season. I expect my efforts to be rewarded abundantly. I expect riches because I believe in my value. I expect new streams of income to open for me. I expect the universe to support my prosperity. I expect my mindset to attract money easily. I expect golden opportunities around every corner. I expect to give generously and receive freely. I expect to live in abundance and joy. I expect my wealth to grow on autopilot. I expect to thrive in everything I do. I expect money to flow while I rest. I expect to be a magnet for high-paying clients and ideas. I expect to receive wealth with grace and gratitude. I expect to live in my dream lifestyle. I expect to be financially abundant in all ways. I expect overflow, expansion, and elevation. I expect prosperity to become my new normal. I expect wealth and prosperity, and I claim it now. I expect divine timing to deliver my financial blessings. I expect to be rich in money, love, and peace. As I expect my wealth to uplift others too. I expect my life to overflow with ease and abundance. I expect limitless potential in my finances and future. I expect to live beyond limits and in full prosperity. I expect the universe to match my bold expectations. I expect clarity, confidence, and cash to flow to me. I expect to walk in wealth without fear. I expect wealth and prosperity because I am aligned, worthy, and ready. I expect my life to reflect richness in every way. I expect abundance to find me with ease and grace. I expect wealth to show up through joy, not struggle. I expect every step I take to be financially blessed. I expect to live in overflow, not limitation. I expect to receive more than I can imagine. I expect blessings to surprise and delight me. I expect the universe to meet all my needs and more. I expect my work to be rewarded with great abundance. I expect to feel wealthy in body, mind, and soul. I expect riches to arrive aligned with my purpose. I expect doors of prosperity to open effortlessly. I expect luxury, comfort, and financial freedom. I expect my wealth to create peace, not pressure. I expect my mindset to multiply my money. I expect powerful breakthroughs in my finances. I expect success to flow to me naturally. I expect my bank account to expand constantly. I expect to be divinely guided to wealth. I expect wealth and prosperity because I choose it. I expect to receive wealth with ease and confidence. I expect prosperity to touch every area of my life. I expect to be supported in every financial decision I make. I expect to rise above lack and live in limitless abundance. I expect miracles of money, success, and joy today. I expect money to come to me from multiple aligned sources. I expect to live a life of ease, luxury, and financial flow. I expect unexpected income and joyful financial surprises. I expect to attract clients, projects, and ideas that enrich me. I expect my wealth to inspire and uplift others. I expect to wake up to new levels of prosperity every day. I expect to be financially supported in all that I do. I expect abundance to meet me in every season of life. I expect wealth to expand with my self-worth. I expect to embody prosperity in thought, word, and action. Thank you for spending this sacred moment with me. Your energy, your presence, and your growth mean everything. If these affirmations nourished your spirit, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Your wealth, your joy, your abundance. They're already on their way. I see you, I appreciate you, and I love you. Until next time, stay abundant and stay aligned.